pull it hard. Cool. Press it.
Hey guys, what are you doing right now?
Oh, hi. So this is an autonomous drone we have built for ISRO, and we have been working in this over 6 months.
And did you guys win?
Yes and no.
What does that mean?
Let us tell you about it.
We have finished as semifinalists at ISRO IRoC challenge. So yes, we didn't win the whole competition, but we won in many other ways. When we started this project, we honestly didn't know how much work it is going to take. We just wanted to challenge ourselves to see how far we can go as a first-year team building a drone for the very first time.
So we were building an autonomous drone that had to operate without GPS, fly a complete mission on its own, and even had to land on an autonomous charging station. And we had to make all of that work as a team while learning most of these systems for the first time.
One thing people don't realize is that it was not a remote control drone competition. The challenge was about autonomy. ISRO gave teams a problem statement based on GPS denied environments. The drone has to understand where it is using its sensors, execute a mission on its own, transmit telemetry to the base station, and safely land without human intervention.
That meant we had to work on hardware, software, mapping, communication systems, and mechanical design at the same time. It was a complete different level of engineering from anything we had done before. The first few weeks were mostly research, planning, and figuring out what we didn't know.
So we have to find the best motors which suits our requirement, the propeller size, the ESC, the batteries, the sensors, the camera, and the companion computer which will do the mapping and the commanding. During the testing, we realized that the takeoff was much more easier than making it flying reliably. In fact, our first flight crashed, but this was the reality check we needed the most.
For us, the hardest part was integrating everything. The GPS denied part of our autonomous system became the major hurdle for us.
The drone has to read the sensor data, understanding its position, maintain altitude, follow waypoints, and react safely if something went wrong. So during the test, when we started the mission, the drone went full throttle where it has to be go in half throttle. So we had to cancel the mission immediately. And then the moment we realized that it is not the simple mission to just assemble the drone and it will fly autonomously, we had to do many iterations before we can reach the final version of the drone. So the main issue we faced is that the polarity matching with the drone. So for that we found a solution. It doesn't matter that drone lands in whatever direction, the drone will get charged automatically. When it worked really, it was the biggest breakthrough for us. By the way, we are the only first-year team among the 74 teams in India, which includes senior teams from IIT Bombay, NIT Patna, NIT Silchar.
So the competition happened in different stages. First, we submitted a detailed technical report explaining our approach, hardware choices, and autonomous strategy. Then came the practical demonstration round, where we had to prove that the drone could actually perform the required autonomous tasks. We filmed multiple test flights, improved parameters between runs, and gradually built confidence in the system.
The day when we received the notification from ISRO that we have qualified for the semis, it honestly felt unreal.
In the semi-finals, ISRO evaluated some tough questions about our approach and how well we understood the problem statement. We then demonstrated the drone, and they were genuinely impressed by our project.
Though we didn't reach to the finals, but looking back when we started the project, we didn't think that we can reach this level, and honestly reaching these levels also feels a big achievement.
Throughout our 6-month journey, our mentors were with us at every step, helping us get permissions to buy components, staying calm even when things got damaged, and even staying back late nights with us.
The competition may have ended, but the original problem statement is yet to be fully solved for. We still want the entire system to check every box that we have set out to achieve.
As first-year students, getting the chance to take on an ISRO problem statement, build a real autonomous drone and push it this far has already changed the way we think about engineering. And personally, that's a bigger win for us.